How you doing, world? I just arrived to Kuta. It's another day in Bali, basically. I wanna show you the best mall in Bali, which is Beachwalk. Quite a lot of people actually asking that, where I can shop, where I can dine in, and it's the aircon and everything. So the malls are very important in Asia in general. So this one today exclusively Kuta Beachwalk for you guys. I made the opening of today's video there. This is the Kuta Beach and Kuta Gate direction, overall Kuta and the Zara. But next to it, check this out, there's like a tuna. A lot of businesses went out and they are under the construction in the mall. But then just next to it is Starbucks, legendary worldwide Starbucks, and a lot of people. Actually mostly Asian people, by the way. This is very interesting. Starbucks is full of people. It's actually great spot to having coffee, business meeting, meet people, talk, watch the traffic, sunset. Arabica is also here, also busy. Also some international visitors. It's a great place to hang out in general, and the main entrance to the Beachwalk as well. And the Sardinia also very busy recently. I have the refurbishments with the loud music. I have to quickly talk fast and go out before I'm gonna get any copyright strike from that place. And this is the main entrance, and where is the pool and bird and the sunset situation. So there is the mascot, you know, the pool and bear, and you can walk in two directions. I'm gonna go today into this one. There's also the brand new Uniqlo on the other side of Zara. This mascot, sad, waiting for kids to play. And also all regular stuff. You can find some interesting brands and some less interesting brands. Victoria's Secret is here also. Overall crowd in the mall is also like this around 5 p.m. middle of the week. Bath body walks. Victoria's Secret is pretty big. Makeup for the ladies. Actually pretty quiet in the mall, at least in this wing. And there is like also some other brands. Timberland is even here actually. Here we go. Charles and Kate. Yeah, Timberland is actually useful if you're going to Europe or to the winter. Some people traveling actually. So, but working in Bali with the Timberland shoes is a little bit hopeless. Cosmetic shops and Swarovski is also here. Stuff like this one. And Zara, of course. So this is like a short, quick, small wing. Come back. So this is where I came from. Beachwalk, that's the name. Also inside, the concept is here very interesting because a little bit under the aircon and also a little bit open air in general. So it's not only like a proper mall where only inside the building. So you can have a fresh air, mascots, mango, some shops. You can go inside also, I mean outdoors. Like a bazaar with the clothes and stuff, but the sunset is there. I need to go around first. I'm gonna show you. There's the G-Shock also, K-Show. Many interesting brands and small stalls also in the mall. So a lot of is going on. Definitely the best place in Bali for shopping. However, this is not like regular souvenir shops. That's the mall, so the brand's gonna be like a worldwide. And also the price is gonna be slightly higher than in other countries, especially in Asia. Bali, unfortunately, Indonesia is not the cheapest place for shopping. Just from my personal experience, Fossil is here, but the Fossil in Malaysia will be at least 30% cheaper. Just example. Anyways, some interesting stalls here. There's even Nespresso recently. Johnny Rockets is cool, worldwide brand. Nespresso is something new here. If you like capsule coffee, you can buy it. Digimap for the iPhone resellers, official. So you're not gonna get scammed, but it's also not the cheapest place to buy iPhone in Bali. In Indonesia, Foot Locker, you should be familiar with the brands, Roxy, stuff like this. Even the IQOS now. There is the Quicksilver behind the Foot Locker. And there is the Under Armour Indonesia. This is brand new shop. I'm actually surprised as they open. And there is the Poppies Gate. We can go to the Poppies Lane 1 or 2. 1, 2, doesn't matter. And then you can stroll through the local shops like souvenirs and the local stuff. But on not today's video. I just wanted to let you know. And then you have some Dairy Queen, which is like a fast food brands. And chat time, of course, Indonesian chat time must be. So when you have an espresso and the Johnny Rockets, there is the Sensatia, Guess, and few other brands, and then you can go back to brand new wing next to the always some presentation. There will be some new interesting brands like Innisfree, And this is the brand new wing. Some of you, if you didn't been in Bali since last 2019, let's say, this wasn't open at that time, so it's totally new for you. They have a Mark and Spencer recently in Bali malls, which is a big surprise, but they have it. And overall, there is also a Loft Hotel and Yellow Hotel, so it's connected to the mall directly recently. So staying in one of the Loft Hotels here connected to the mall is actually pretty good deal in general. They even have a valet service and everything, so it's cool. Little bit of the wind from the aircon or from the summer. Open concept, so there is like a park and Bukangara, some restaurants. This is like a complex where you can eat, you can chill outdoors. There is the loft at the front, and there are some other shops, of course. Bamboo Blonde, very popular in Bali especially, and some others, more or less famous popular brands, fancy suitcases, Oakleys, Surfer Girls, Tropical Vibes, Spa & Co, places to chill, places to eat. Kochon, not too busy, really not too busy recently, so it's enjoyable to work and make this video. However, recently it's not that busy in Bali. There's also fancy Deus Ex Machina, which have everything what in Canggu or even more, because aircon. North Face, this is actually interesting because they also open the brands like this one, North Face, you should know, Sociola, and many others, and also some restaurants like this one. You can find this. They even have a Häagen-Dazs ice creams, and the flagship of Samsung shop, Genki Sushi, and those people have access directly to the Aloft Mall. So yeah, this is actually cool. I'm gonna quickly go inside, show you a little bit. Very interesting concept. When it's Indonesian holidays, this mall is fully packed, but when it's like this today, it's very quiet and the hotels are there. So this is a loft by Marriott, and on the other side is Yellow. Yellow is like a 4-star budget hotel, and this one is obviously Marriott Group, also like this one. So it's very cool concept here. And yeah, this is the view from the outside. How does it look like here? That's the newest wing. I'm gonna go now to the second floor. Okay, welcome to level 2. This place is more into restaurants and some other interesting places for shopping, like La Senza Optic, a lot of optics and other accessories. There will be a lot of shoes on this level, and restaurants in general. There also was the bookshop somewhere, but I think the bookshop is replaced by Justice, Hawaiian Sansar, Giordano, and many other stuff. Now I will show you a little bit. Today is like a comprehensive review of the Beachwalk Mall, the best mall in Bali so far. Some of you really are interested about the stuff like this one, so why not? Flagship of Adidas here. Actually, this is the only place where you can buy all of this stuff here. Eyewear, where you can buy original Ray-Bans and other sunglasses and stuff like this one. Here we go for you. Flagship of Puma, flagship of Skechers, some accessories to the phone. Well, Owl. This is like a optic, and then yeah, some styles actually. You can find the Burger King here, and this is the level where is the also Cinema 21, which is one of the best cinemas in Bali also as well, where you would like to watch some movies. Aircon and stuff, sometimes it's working next to Burger King, and also this is like you can go, this was reserved for the Burger King long time ago, and also is the Pepper Lunch here. Cool place for eating as well. And then of course there will be H&M makeover here. Huge H&M here have a two-story one, so upstairs I think they are ladies, downstairs they are men's or something like that. The kids actually here, and then something like this one. Don't know, not familiar with the brand though. And there is also another Starbucks. This one have a 2 Starbucks. This one is small one, but it's on the second floor. And also nice views are here. I'm gonna go there. Just wanna show you what else we can find on this floor. Continuation of the H&M, pretty big here. I'm gonna go a little bit around. This is the New Era. I bought New Era hat in Malaysia, but in the same brand of my hat. Somebody asked me last time. Here is more expensive, by the way, just interesting fact. Planet Sport Asia, also the sports shop, very good place in general for the sports stuff you can find here, and other styles. Then you have some money changer. I'm not sure if it's the best rate here, but it is. exit of the Planet Sport, and then you have a gyukaku Japanese barbecue, which is like all you can eat, and then you have a Sushi Tei, which is super popular brand. Both of them, they are good places for lunch or dinner in general. And then you go up where you have some nice views. Super quiet recently, a little bit windy, but that's also for Sheraton Hotel. And then you can see the ocean in the background over there. And this is the mall. Also upstairs is something, but there is not much. But I'm gonna show you a little bit. And overall, that's the concept of the mall here. Little bit different, little bit tropical with the traditional architecture, like for the mall. Different stuff. Normally it's a lot of people here, but not today, which is also kind of cool actually for making this video. And then yeah, that's the nice there is the Candelicious, which is like a sweet shop and stuff. A lot of things you can find, but yeah, this is it. Gonna go to the third floor a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the level 3 and the last level of this mall, facing directly to the nice kind of clothes something here. There is not much actually. There is a little cafe shop and some suki barbecue restaurant, and the view, because the half of the mall is actually unfortunately not operated currently. There was actually Bebek Tepisawa, very legendary place for ages here, and it's also closed. So that's not the best sign for the level 3 of this mall, and in generally what's going on in the mall, because a lot of places are closed. That's the overall view. That's the Sheraton. Some people now they come there. That's the view of the beach. I will go there, show you the coffee shop and the sunset point where you can actually experience. And also I just wanted to mention as there is the food court, but I'm not even gonna go there because there's not much interesting. But in case if you like food courts, you can go and try there. Let me know in the comment section if you like it there. Basically it's called Sunset Deck, Lee Tree, and there's Expats Coffee. A lot of people like Expats Coffee. Unfortunately, personally, I don't like Expats Coffee, but it's only my personal preference. Vineyard, few empty plots. I mean, something is going wrong in Bali regarding the malls. Probably the rent is so expensive, that's why. And then you have the Suki barbecue, what I mentioned, Peninsula Bay Resort, some things to buy, rent. And there's another restaurant here, actually not sure, but the most interesting fact is the beach wall, sunset view, basically. That's how does it look like, facing the sun. Some restaurants, some people enjoying, and there is a little bit more of the view. Basically you have a view nearly 360 degrees what's going on here. Sheraton Hotel and the road, obviously view of the airport and the planes landing there. Sometimes you can see very nice. And there is the Kuta Beach. Basically this is what you can see from the third floor. I just realized not much you can see because the wooden huts and trees blocking the view, by the way. It's just interesting fact. As I mentioned, as I made the video like in Seminyak yesterday in Legion. And obviously you have a sunset. Sunset's gonna be in about 45 minutes, very sharp. You cannot see much, except you're gonna come like half hour before the sunset itself. But the overall views and the vibes are like this one. Pretty enjoyable mall. Also, I should notice about the basement floor, which down there. Also here you can buy the SIM card, probably with the more affordable prices than in the airport. Let's get down to the basement, B1 floor. Basically here you have a supermarket with actually have a pretty affordable prices, which is not many people know about this food market. And there is the pharmacy and the bank, money changer. So that's it. Also, to make it totally complete, this is where I started, actually the main entrance, when so many people are making funny pictures and videos. Onitsuka Tiger, that's for the shoes, Japanese brand. And this is the Candelicious for the streets, imported stuff, pretty expensive, but they have it. And there is of course Pull and Bear. Next to the Pull and Bear is the Tommy Hilfiger. And then you have also something new, it's coming here, Lacoste, you can find here as well. So happy days, H&M on the ground floor, another eyewear, sunglasses, and you have a Bershka, just in case. And down there you go to the basement. And then behind the Pull and Bear is the main entrance, actually the only one entrance and exit from the mall. That's the hotels also, sunset view, and little bit of the street situation like this one. Near to the sunset time, the traffic at the front of the beach walk look like this one. There's only one-way road. you can expect some traffic jams sometimes if you want to come here. Just wanted to let you know, keep it in mind, this is the main entrance to the mall. And this is where I started actually the video today. And actually, yeah, next to Zara, there is another entrance, Southgate, Sheraton Gate. There's actually Sheraton Hotel at the front, and the Uniqlo. In case if you're looking for Uniqlo, because I was checking on the Google map, as many people couldn't find. Now you know where is it. Next to Sheraton Gate, next to Zara actually. Alright guys, that's it from the beach walk. In my opinion, the best mall in whole entire Bali Island. My comprehensive review. You can also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this one. But if you're looking for malls in Bali and looking for some shopping, something different than just the souvenir shops with the fake items what you can find on the street, this is definitely a place where you have to go and enjoy. Meanwhile, I will see you tomorrow on next video, as always, every single day, 4 p.m. local time. Whew, I got tired a little bit of working in the mall. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow.